The top 10 richest people in the world in 2023. Today, we're diving into the world of wealth and success as we unveil the top 10 richest individuals in 2023. It's always fascinating to see who's leading the financial charts and making significant impacts on industries around the globe. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Steve Ballmer. A Harvard University classmate of Bill Gates, Steve Ballmer assumed the role of CEO at Microsoft from 2000 to 2014. His total net worth is $103.4 billion. His journey with Microsoft began in 1980 when he joined as the company's 30th employee, having dropped out of the MBA at Stanford University. In the same year that Ballmer retired from Microsoft, he made headlines by acquiring the Los Angeles Clippers basketball team for a staggering $2 billion, setting a new benchmark for the highest price paid for an NBA team at that time. Number 9. Sergey Brin. Alongside his Stanford PhD colleague, Larry Page, Sergey Brin played a pivotal role in establishing the Google search engine in 1998. His total net worth is $106.2 billion. Originally from Russia, Brin initially held the position of technology president at Google, and later transitioned to overseeing special projects, including the development of Google Glass, a wearable device featuring voice-activated, smart glasses. Currently, Brin serves as a board member of Alphabet, the parent company of Google, while retaining a significant controlling stake in the company. Number 8. Larry Page. Larry Page and his fellow Stanford PhD student Sergey Brin co-founded Google in 1998. His total net worth is $111.9 billion. Initially, Page held the position of CEO until 2001 and later resumed the role from 2011 to 2015. Currently, he serves as a member of the board of Alphabet, the parent company of Google, and retains significant control over the company as a major shareholder. Additionally, Page played a key role as a founding investor in Planetary Resources, a company focused on space exploration. Number 7. Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg is a renowned tech entrepreneur who co-founded Facebook in 2004 while at Harvard University. He has total net worth of $115.2 billion. Under his leadership, Facebook grew into the world's largest social networking platform, revolutionizing how people connect and share. Zuckerberg's innovations include the news feed and acquisitions of Instagram and WhatsApp. He's faced challenges regarding user privacy and misinformation on the platform. In 2021, Facebook rebranded as Meta Platforms, Inc., reflecting a focus on the metaverse. Zuckerberg's influence on technology and communication is significant and enduring. Number 6. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, widely recognized as the Oracle of Omaha, is one of history's most accomplished investors. His total net worth is $117.4 billion. He is the head of Berkshire Hathaway, an investment conglomerate with a diverse portfolio encompassing numerous companies, such as insurance provider Geico, battery manufacturer Duracell, and restaurant chain Dairy Queen. In 2010, Buffett and Bill Gates and Melinda French Gates established the Giving Pledge initiative, which urges billionaires to donate at least 50% of their wealth to charitable organizations. Number 5. Bill Gates. In 1987, Forbes first recognized Gates as a billionaire. He has total net worth of $119.3 billion. From 1995 to 2017, he maintained the title of the world's richest person, with brief exceptions in 2008 and from 2010 to 2013. In 2021, Gates and Melinda French Gates finalized the divorce, with Melinda receiving at least $6 billion in stocks as part of the settlement. According to Forbes estimates, Gates' fortune experienced a modest increase of approximately $500 million from May 1 to June 1, 2023, allowing him to ascend one spot in the rankings to secure the 5th position. Number 4. Larry Ellison. Larry Ellison co-founded the software firm Oracle in 1977 and held the position of its CEO until 2014. He has total net worth of $146.1 billion. Currently, he assumes the company's chairman and chief technology officer roles. In 2012, Ellison made headlines when he acquired the Hawaiian island of Lanai for a sum of $300 million. Ellison also ventured into investments, including a substantial stake in Tesla, where he served on the board of directors from 2018 until 2022. Number 3. Jeff Bezos. In July 2021, Jeff Bezos decided to give up his role as CEO of the e-commerce powerhouse Amazon while still maintaining his position as chairman. His total net worth is $154.9 billion. During the same month, he embarked on a space voyage aboard a rocket developed by Blue Origin, a private space exploration company he established and generously funded with billions of dollars. Number 2. Bernard Arnault and family. Bernard Arnault, the second richest person in the world with net worth of $231.4 billion. He is the CEO and chairman at Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, LVMH, the world's largest luxury goods company encompassing approximately 70 renowned fashion and cosmetics brands. Notable names within its portfolio include Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, Moet and Chandon, and Sephora. In January 2021, LVMH completed the acquisition of jeweler Tiffany & Company for a staggering $15.8 billion. Arnault's 5 children contribute to various sectors within the expansive LVMH empire. In January 2023, he appointed his daughter Delphine to lead Dior, the group's second largest brand. Number 1. Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the richest person in the world with net worth of $240.7 billion. He is the CEO of several prominent companies, including electric car manufacturer Tesla and space exploration company SpaceX. He currently possesses a 23% stake in Tesla. A significant portion of his wealth, around 2/3, is tied to the success of Tesla. Musk made headlines in October 2022 when he purchased Twitter for $44 billion. Musk led Tesla to its initial public offering in 2010. The company experienced significant growth in market capitalization during 2020 and 2021, propelling Musk to the position of the world's top 10 richest people in September 2021. At its peak in November 2021, Musk's fortune reached an astounding $320 billion. It's truly remarkable to witness the impact that these visionaries have had on various industries and the global economy. Which of these individuals surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating insights and updates.